so now guys, the first one that we've been talking about is called the crazy monkey, right? And the way that works, essence. The way that works is that when Caitlin says a mean thing to me, let's use you and Isaac. Okay? Caitlin's gonna say the last one that you did about the skinny.
Isaac, you're so skinny. Look, you're like a stick. Get some muscle.
Okay. Now, Isaac knows that Caitlin's just testing him out to see if he's going to be weak. Okay? And so he's going to respond with what's called the crazy monkey defense. Everybody say that. Crazy monkey defense. And what Isaac's going to do is he's going to look at Caitlin, and in his mind, in his imagination, she's going to turn into like a crazy monkey, jumping around in the air, throwing bananas all over the place, okay? And when he's thinking of her like that, his face is sort of going to change to like, do your face, Isaac? Like, what? Okay, you see how Isaac's face looks? And then he's going to say these words. Do you know the words, Isaac? Yeah.
Okay, one more time.
Okay, good, loud, with the tone, eye contact.
You're so skinny. Why don't you get some muscle?
Why would you say something like that?
Okay, why would you say something like that? Everybody say that. Why would you say something like that?
Why would you say something like that?
But the important part is the look. You have to look at them like what? Like they're a crazy monkey. They're throwing bananas. You guys understand what the drill is? Okay, let's do the crazy monkey defense.
Why did I do
You got so much hair on your face. Why don't you try to cut off?
You say something. You say something.
Your arm gestures.
Why would you say something?
You're so funny looking.
Why would you say something? I'm a crazy monkey.
Too slow.
Why are you saying she is? You look like a dog.
Why you say something like that? I'm pointing to it.
Raise your hairy legs.
Let's see. What do you say? What do you say?
How come you have such a funny nose?
Good. Daddy, you short.
There you go. Help him out.
Huge. So somebody says something mean to you, right? Make it look like you're crazy. Yeah, you're the crazy one. You jumped him. Your ears are too big.
Why say something like that?
Okay. Your eyes are
Your eyes are earlier than your mom.
Why say something like that? Why say something like that?
Why are your eyes so far apart? You're huge.
Why say something like that?
Your eyes are really far apart.